Elaine lands in Uganda and makes her connecting local flight to a rural area of the country.
Hello, travelers. This is our plane.
And so I went out to the prop plane, and I looked at it, and I thought, this is really small.
This is Jeffrey, our pilot. Yay, Jeffrey!
Welcome.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. And this is a co-traveler.
Hello.
Before taking off, Elaine talks with the pilots of the connecting flight.
And I asked everybody, so you must have challenges.
I think it's the best feeling to know that I don't know what's going to happen to me, but one thing I know is it's gonna be okay. It will be okay. It just gives me more strength knowing that, okay, God has it all sorted for me. It's like going to sleep in the night and then you wake up and you're like, I did not plan that I will wake up alive, but here I am alive. In the morning, the weather is clear, it's so clear, but then when you go out, clouds keep on forming, weather keep on building, so you have to be like, okay, I know I'm already in the air, it has to be okay, I have to go back home in one piece. Stressing about it won't help anything, but when you don't stress about it, then you plan. It's always a plan that comes up when you relax. Sometimes you have bad days, but even at the end of the bad days, you're still gonna be okay.
And then it turned out that his assistant, I guess his co-pilot is the better term for it, was a young man who was born in Stratford, Ontario.